Oh, hello everyone. Welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again with the Easy Peasy Drawing series. So here what we are doing here is, oh wow. I end up saying that though, no matter how much I try myself to stop, but okay, I end up by saying that only. Whatever. So we are making this cute elephant here. Okay, by end, I'll just say surprise and your colors will be like there. Okay. So now we are making here is, okay, it looks like an egg, but it is not an egg, and I wish it is not an egg because I thought about it in this. Oh, it is your lighthouse, yeah. It's your lighthouse, guys. You were not able to get it. Okay, so now 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so your colors are all done. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, I think it is your pineapple because that's what it has, these big leaves, and yeah, it is a very sweet fruit. Yeah, I really love pineapple, but it's very hard to have it because it's so, okay, whatever. Okay, so this art is back and I'm still not able to get the name, so I'll just I don't know what, but I really like this art. Even I made few of it and I might show you someday. And okay, so do tell me in the comment section, what do we call this art? I am just forgetting the name. Okay, now for the next part, what we are making here is, what are we making here, guys? Okay, you guess it and I'll, okay, I got it. I just don't know the name of this thing, but it is like that snowball kind of a thing, and boom. Okay, it just rotates every time, I've seen this in a movie. I'm just not getting the name by the time. Okay, now for moving forward, what we are making here is, it's a flower vase and you have to just fill it with different designs, and I'm still forgetting the name of what you call this. God. I might come here to embarrass myself, but okay, you guys can laugh at me, but please don't laugh at me. Okay, done. Okay, we are making Doraemon here. Who doesn't know him, yaar? Oh, I just wish I had someone like Doraemon because he's so nice, yaar. Whenever Nobita needs him, he's like, okay, I'm there. I'm like, yeah, wow, yaar, he's so nice. Always help Nobita no matter what. In Doraemon, we love you, guys. Okay, now moving forward, what we are making here is, it's a big mushroom, I guess, guys. Okay, my fantasy is all back. I thought when I was a child, I used to think that okay, there'll be like houses of mushroom, and then people must be living inside mushrooms, and there'll be a whole world of mushroom, and I was so stupid back then. I know that, but okay, every child must have gone through that phase once, and please tell yes, because that might make me feel better. Okay. Okay, I forgot to say wow. Surprise. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, what are we making here, guys? Sometimes you also speak something, na? Why I have to speak all the time? You are making a shoe here, by the way. Okay, you are not getting the silly for that. That is why I'm speaking, yaar. You don't even know how to give the... Okay, so there's a pair of shoes, yaar. How can you just wear one shoe? Okay, come on, guys. Okay, now this is in fashion. Please don't ask me why we made two different colors. This is all fashion, guys. Thank you for watching the video.